Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the boot mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Now wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold volume up and power key. So volume up, power key, hold both of those keys together, and we're now in the boot mode. So right here you can access the recovery mode, fast boot mode, or just normal, which will go back to the Android system. And to select each one of them, you want to use only volume up, like so, and volume down will be used to confirm. So I'm gonna select normal boot and press volume down to boot into it, and you will see that the device now will boot back up into the Android system. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you access and also leave this mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.